Today, through the 8th video of Vishnu Sahasranama, we are going to understand the names from 327 to 372 in verses 36 to 40. 36th verse. സ്കന്ദസ്കന്ദധരോധുര്യോ വരദോ വായുവാഹന വാസുദേവോ ബൃഹദ്ഭാനുരാതിദേവ പുരന്ദര. The 9 names in this verse are Skanda, Skandadhara, Dhurya, Varada, Vayuvahana, Vasudeva, Brihadbhanu, Adideva and Purandara. Skanda. Skand means flow. Vishnu is described as the one who flows in the form of nectar. It also means that Vishnu is the one who takes the form of Subramanya, Skanda, the son of Shiva. Lord Vishnu says in the Bhagavad Gita, among warriors, I am Skanda. Skandadhara. Skandam is also said to mean the path of righteousness. Therefore, it is said that Lord Vishnu is the one who wears or follows the path of righteousness. Dhurya. This name can be interpreted as meaning the one who bears the burden. So, we can see that Vishnu is the one who bears the entire burden of the universe. Varada. Since the one who gives boons is called Varada, it can be seen that Vishnu is the one who gives the best boons. Vayuvahana. The Vayus are described as 7. The 7 Vayus are Avaham, Pravaham, Anuvaham, Samvaham, Vivaham, Paravaham and Parivaham. It is said that Vishnu is the bearer of these 7 Vayus. What is between the cloud and earth is the Avaham. What is between the cloud and the sun is Pravaham. What is between sun and the moon is Anuvaham. What is between the moon and stars is the Samvaham. And what is between the stars and planets is called Vivaham. The one between the planets and the Saptarishis, 7 sages, is called Paravaham. What is between the Saptarishis and Dhruva is called the Parivaham. Vasudeva. Vasu means one who resides. Deva means one who performs the divine act, one who plays, etc. Vishnu is the one who resides as a living soul in all living beings and behaves virtuously, hence known as Vasudeva. Brihadbhanu. It means the great Bhanu, the sun. It is said that Vishnu is a very big sun. It implies that the sun and the moon shine because of the glory of Vishnu. Adideva. Vishnu is described as the god who is the root cause, the original cause. Purandara. Dharana means to split. Here it is said that Vishnu is the destroyer of the shelters, the dwellings of the Daityas. 37th verse. Ashogastarana Shura Shaurir Janeshwara Anukula Shadavarta Patmi Patmanibhekshana. We can see 10 names here. The 10 names are Ashoka, Tarana, Tara, Shura, Shauri, Janeshwara, Anugula, Shadavarta, Patmi and Patmanibhekshana. Ashoka. Vishnu is described here as the one without sorrow. Sufferings or sorrows are divided into 6 categories: grief, desire, hunger, thirst, birth and death are called the 6 sorrows. These are known as Shadurmis. The first of them, the Shogam, is mentioned here. This name describes Vishnu as the one who is free from these 6 sorrows. Tarana. The one who makes one person overcome something is called Taranan. Vishnu is described in this name as the one who removes the sorrows of birth and death, that is samsara dukkam, and the one who makes a person overcome these sorrows. Tara. This name means that Vishnu is the one who frees one from the fear of human birth. Shura. It means that Vishnu is the brave one. He can be described as a warrior, a hero, a brave man, etc. Shauri. Lord Krishna is called Shauri because he was born in the family of Shurasena, the father of Vasudeva. Janeshwara. It is said that Vishnu is the god of the people, of those who are born. Anugula. The epithet in this name is the one who stands in favor of everything and everyone. It is said that no one can stand in opposition to Lord Vishnu. Shadavarta. Shadam means 100. This name means one who repeats hundreds of times, one who appears many times, etc. Padmi, one who holds a lotus in his hand, is called Padmi. Padmanibhekshana. Ikshanam means eyes. Here Vishnu is described as having eyes as beautiful as lotus. 38th verse. Padmanabhoravindaksha Padmagarpasharirabhrad Mahardhirtho Vrithalma Mahaksho Garudathvaja. Here we find 9 names: Padmanabha, Aravindaksha, Padmagarbha, Sharirabhrad, Mahardhi, Ruddha, Vrithalma, Mahaksha and Garudathvaja. Padmanabha. We have seen this name before. Vishnu can also be described as the one who resides in the center of the lotus of the heart. Aravindaksha. He is described as having eyes like the petals of a red lotus flower. Padmagarbha. This name describes the one who is meditated upon in the center of the lotus, the heart. Sharirabhrad. This name means one who nourishes and maintains the bodies properly. Mahardhi. Riddhi means prosperity. It is said that Vishnu is the one with great, that is infinite, prosperity. Ruddha. This name means one who has attained perfection and one who is abundant. It is said that Vishnu is the one who lacks nothing in this universe. Vruddhalma. Here he is described as having a very ancient soul. Mahaksha. It is said that Vishnu is the one with most exquisite eyes. The essence is that nothing can be hidden from his eyes. Garudathvaja. Dhvajam means flag. Vishnu is the one with the flag having the symbol of Garuda. 39th verse. Atula Sharabho Bhima Samayajno Havirhari Sarva Lakshana Lakshanyo Lakshmi Van Samidim Jaya. Atula, Sharabha, Bhima, Samayajna, Havirhari, Sarva Lakshana Lakshanya, Lakshmivan, Samidinjaya. The 8 names are mentioned here. Adula. It can mean one who is incomparable, unique and without equal. Sharabha. That which becomes weak, that which withers is called Sharam. The body or the outer shell is called Sharam here. It means that Vishnu is the one who shines in such bodies. Bhima. It means terrible. It is said that Vishnu is terrible to the wicked. Samayajna. This name can be pronounced in 2 ways, as Samaya and Jna, or as Sama and Yajna. The first can be described as one who knows time, that is, the time of creation, existence and destruction, and the times of the 6 changing seasons. The second one means the one who is equally worshipped by everyone. Havirhari. Vishnu is mentioned here as the one who accepts Havis in a yajna or sacrifice. This name refers to Vishnu's role as the recipient of devotion and prayers offered in religious rituals. Sarva Lakshana Lakshanya. The meaning here is that Vishnu is the one who is eligible to be characterized by all attributes, the one who is worthy of such detailed description. Lakshmivan. Vishnu is called Lakshmivan because he is always with goddess Lakshmi. Samidinjaya. This name describes Vishnu as a victor in wars and one who is always victorious in winning righteous battles. 40th verse. Viksharo rohito margo hetur damodarasaha mahitharo mahaphago vegavanamitasana. 10 names are mentioned here. The 10 names are Vikshara, Rohita, Marga, Hetu, Damodara, Saha, Mahidhara, Mahabhaga, Vegavan and Amitasana. Vikshara. This means that Vishnu is the one without any ksharam or destruction. Rohita. It is said that this is the name of a special type of fish. It is believed that Lord Vishnu took the form of this fish in his Matsya avatar. Marga. The one who seeks freedom from the cycle of birth and death, that is moksham. The one who seeks it is called Margan. Hetu. Since Hetu means cause, it is said that Vishnu is the cause of creation of this universe. Damodara. Dama means rope. In the incarnation of Lord Vishnu as Sri Krishna, Yashoda tied Krishna with a rope tied around his stomach, and tied him to a grinding stone. Therefore, Bhagavan Vishnu is known as Damodaran. Damas can also be said to mean the universe. He in whose stomach this universe resides is also called Damodaran. Saha. This name describes Vishnu as the one who endures everything. Mahidhara. It is said again that Vishnu is the one who wears this earth. Mahabhaga. This means that Vishnu is the most fortunate. Vegavan. This means that Vishnu is the fastest. Amitasana. Ashanam means to eat. Then Lord Vishnu is described as one who eats excessively. It means that the Lord Vishnu consumes everything at the end of the Kalpa. With this, we have seen 40 verses and 372 names. Now let us recite 5 verses. Skanda Skandadharo Dhuryo Varado Vayuvahana Vasudevo Brihatbhanuratideva Purandara Ashogastarana Shura Shaurir Janeshwara Anukula Sadavarta Patmi Patmanibhekshana Patmanabhora Vindaksha Patmagarpasharirabhrd Mahardhirtho Vrithalpma Mahaksho Garudathvaja Atula Sharabho Bhima Samayajno Havirhari Sarva Lakshana Lakshanyo Lakshmi Vansamitim Jaya Viksharo Rohito Margo Hetur Damodarasaha Mahitharo Mahaphago Vegavanamitasana. Let us understand verses 41 to 45 through the next video.